And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this metal folding laptop stand. Open it up and show it to you. So inside of here, nothing else in the box, we have a little included Allen wrench here so you can adjust things on the metal stand. And then of course, inside of this is the laptop stand. So you're able to just set this down and then adjust this any way you may need. So, you can have it really high like that if you needed, or you can have it a little lower like that if you needed. However, you may need this to set to hold your laptop. And your laptop would, of course, just fit on there like this. And then there you go. You have your laptop on this stand. It's great for setting it up. Definitely, if you have dual monitors or something like that, where you're plugging stuff out from your laptop, these are really great because you can set your laptop on one side, have your monitors over here, and kind of use this as an extra screen. So thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send us this metal adjustable laptop stand. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.